Look at the serving.
Power's off, you guys. This is how we're eating. Can't even see anything. Just hoping that it comes back on before midnight tonight so that I can charge everything. Power card is no more in Samoa now, I guess. Can't even see you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. Excuse the hair and the face. I just wanted to show you guys because yesterday we had a bit of a storm, and remember the cocoa tree that I showed you before? And I was telling one of the guys to get rid of the ripe cocos. Well, today's the day. Look how sunny it is. Today is the day after that storm. So have a look. Yep. Our Samoavlog banana trees down. Look at that cocoa over there. Cocoa tree over there. Down. Goodness. Look at that. Yep, cacao tree has fallen. And we've still got, ripe cocos, as you can see, ripe cocos on it. So, which makes it easier for me to get them off the tree. You know, I don't need to climb up to get them. So, yeah, this is the damages that we have. Look how sunny it is. Like, what did it happen? Because today is just sunny. So I believe Alfred came for a visit to Samoa. So I'm gonna do that. That's my job later in the evening. And yes, I am off. All right, just an update, guys. It is almost 4 o'clock and we still have no power. They're probably fixing something that was caused by the storm that came yesterday. Yeah, we don't have power. I have been surviving on this. It is hectic. It is. Okay, I charged my phone last night. I woke up with like 100% phone battery. But yeah, it's so freaking hot. It's sunny outside and yeah, almost 4 o'clock. I don't even know when the power is gonna be on. Lucky we have a gas stove that I've been using to heat up, food and make coffee. Thank God for coffee. Otherwise I would have been so tired. But yeah, that is the update. Hey guys, so our power just came on. We've got the fan running. I have been waiting. You can see our chickens are hungry, so I'm just gonna feed them. So I'm gonna feed them rice. Chickens! Not kidding. I'm gonna feed them the Samoan way, okay? Look. There's still a lot more over there. I don't know what they're doing there. Do you want me to do it louder? Alright, I think that's it. Got a little bit more left. Hey, what are you doing? Leave the shoes. Leave the shoes. Leave the shoes, baby. They're yucky. Yucky shoes. Yucky. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it, baby. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Alright. I have to feed the dogs. But I'm waiting for the chickens to finish eating. Then I'll feed the dogs. Because if I feed the dogs now, then all these chickens gonna go away. Because I look a bit scared of them. So yeah. So we're just going to Georgie's Pizza. We're going to Georgie's Pizza for dinner today. We'll see you guys there. Alright, this is Georgie's. Hello. Oh my gosh. Let's get a large pizza. So half pepperoni and half chicken. Oh yeah. Yeah. And I'll just get one Sprite and one Coke. You're gonna wait for 30 minutes or are you gonna go tomorrow? I will eat it here. Yeah. Oh, you done again? Yeah. Fill up or how many? Just 2. 2 adults, 2 babies. Okay. Are they? They don't count. Oh yeah, but we'll need chairs. Do you have high chairs? Oh, you don't. Yeah. That's fine then. Just babies like. Yeah. So cute. Tyler. It's alright. Let's go. I got you a Coke and a Sprite. Do you want it now? Oh yeah, Coke and a Sprite. Yeah, lelame. Yeah. Thank you. They don't have high chairs. Yeah. Alrighty. This is Georgie's. Let me go get the drinks. Instead of Sprite.
Orange juice?
Yeah.
Apple juice.
Yeah, apple juice.
Oh, that's $12.
Is it 12? Yeah. I don't mind. So, how much more?
That'll be $8 off.
Wait, let me go get.
Good, thank you.
Check. Oh yes, please. Do you have? Yeah. Justin. Yeah, this one right here. Still got the Christmas lights on.
Brush your teeth. This is the way we brush your teeth early in the morning.
Should we go eat at home? what we ordered. We got kari mai nasi. Abis el kamay lima din. We got chicken and pepperoni. Yum! Yum! All to ourselves. Nice and hot. So good. I'm gonna miss Georgie's pizza. So good. Ikaw yun afi may ay pelo man pao. This is the shop and everyone's just This is what we're doing now. Sleeping in the car. But my little princess is still awake. Amira, you need to go sleep. Go sleep in the car. Amira, hey, go sleep. You want to sleep in the car? Huh? Okay, fall asleep so you can go sleep in the car. They've got nice aircon in there. Nice aircon in there. Just like Tamisina. Huh? That's how light. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday. Hello. It's Tuesday. Everyone's gone to work. It's just me and Amira here at home. Amira's teething at the moment. She's not eating much. So I'm just came here to see if there's a ripe avocado, so she can have for lunch. I don't know. How am I gonna get the avocados that's hanging? There's actually that ripe one there, which I believe a bird has already got to it. But we also don't have a low. If you don't know what a low is, it's like a stick that we used to get, usually used to get mangoes or just fruits off the tree. So we don't have that. But yeah, there's heaps of avocados up there. There's so many avocados. So many. I really don't know. I used to be really good at climbing. I haven't done that in a while. I don't know. I think we'll just leave it. Yeah, we'll just leave it, guys. Can't be bothered. Amira woke up. Amira, come here. Leave the shoes. Leave the shoes. I am just having V with Samoa. So good. Amira, do you know what that's called? Amira, Do you know what it's called? It's pusapi supo and pusa elengi. Pusapi supo and pusa elengi. Thank God the power's on today. It hasn't, we haven't had a power cut yet today. This is a lifesaver, this one here. So if the power goes off, then this will be our lifesaver. So you must have this at all times because you never know when the power goes off. So I'm just making bolognese for my workers. Let's try. So these are from Uncle Johnny's. They're really good. I think they changed the packaging because it used to be different. As far as I can remember, it was different. So good. Oh, this is refreshing. So good. Make sure to get you, if you're in Samoa, go try these. Try these. They're from Uncle Johnny's. I'm pretty sure you can, yeah, you can find it anywhere. So just look for the one that's got Uncle Johnny on it. Yeah, that's good stuff. I forgot to mention our power is off again. This is getting on my nerves now. Luckily, I've already charged everything. You know, the portable fan, my phone, the light. Hopefully it comes back on before it gets dark. But yeah, I'm still making bolognese for dinner. So yeah, that's where we're at. La PC, don't remember La PC. And my hair's been, I've got like really, I've got a lot of baby hairs. So in Samoa, they show up. But it's okay, we're embracing it. Embracing the moana. Cause that's who we are. So this is what we're cooking with. It is that one there. I got it from Farmer Joe. Let's see how it tastes. It's Italian herbs with tomatoes. So that's all done. It's looking pretty good. Alright guys, so I'm gonna feed the dogs first. Because yesterday I was trying to feed the chickens, but then the dogs kept walking by the chickens, so. Where are the other dogs? Alright, time to feed the chickens, guys. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Alright, so while Omara's sleeping, because that's the only time that I can do stuff, I'm just gonna go grab the ripe cocoas. Remember that one from the storm? Yep, that's what I'm gonna do. I still haven't cleaned up this mess. So this is one. Oh, you know what? I'm only gonna get the ripe ones. So, okay. How am I gonna do this? I'll just remove them first, and then I'll stack them. Oi. It's so hard to get them off the tree. Someone said, when I was little, someone said that snakes likes to be on the cocoa tree. So just hope that there's no snakes on this cocoa tree. Oh, that one's hard. This is not for the weak, you guys. Okay, where's the other one? Can you see that one there? This is another one. Why do I think that these are lianga? Why do I think that they're bad? I don't think it's worth me trying to get them off. There's another one. If I am go I or we'll stack them later. I saw one on the other tree over there. This is another one here. I saw one over there. Why is my dog sitting here? I'm scared of him. Her, sorry. There's one up there, which I can't reach, but I'll try to get it off. Look, that seems to be a good one. Oh, I see a mosquito. That is it. I'm done. That is all I wanted. Did you miss your cousin? Bolognese ready. We didn't have Parmesan cheese, so this is the super more that I'm making today. So I've added Maggi noodle in it as well. Something about salmon cooking, when you add noodles, it just makes it taste so good. Hey guys, so it is, I believe, 2:30 in the afternoon and our power has gone off. Thank goodness for this. This is such a lifesaver. The Vodafone building. It used to be Samoa Blue Sky, but now it's called Vodafone. So we just came to Chills. Actually, my first time here to have ice cream. Kissy. Yes. So I got the chocolate frappe. This is what it looks like. Let's see what it tastes like. Hey. Oi, they add coffee in it. Oh, I thought it's only chocolate frappe. I thought it's only chocolate. Oh, okay. It's got iced coffee in it. I didn't read the thing properly. It's crab and iced coffee. There's Auntie's waffle with cream. So tonight we're having halai elengi with talifu. So good. Oh my. Look at how strong you are. How did you manage to do that?
Wow, malo si Kiali, malo si
Bear's here. And she got me peanutty. Yum.
So we got fat LCST. So good. This is really good. My fat is my.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. It is Friday today, and we're off to town. Our power is on, which is great. But yeah, we're off to town. I don't know what we're going to be doing in town, but yeah, that is where we're off to. Thank you. Hello. Hi, baby. Amira. So we just came to Amanaki restaurant just to have some dessert overlooking the view. It's Nana. So this is what I ordered. A chocolate cake with ice cream. We've got poke that my mum ordered, and the same thing with mashed. Pretty cool from home. Have a good day. Famalu. Have a good day. Go break a leg.
Don't break a wallet.
Boy. Kiss.
Your turn.
See me. Missy ang malu me. Good morning, guys. So we're just at Nourish Cafe. Just here to have breakfast. And yeah, it's our first time here. Oh yeah, Morning. Morning. Come in. Can we sit over there?
Are you sure? Yeah. It's up to you.
Amara's going to Savaii. We're going Savaii today.
Mau manaking kikilay ko. Iya. Pa. Beautiful Savaii.
Beautiful Hi, baby. Okay, bawing ang mga friends. So cute. Amira. Fia, Sisia, uy. Da. Morning guys, so I'm rushing to church. It's my last Sunday here in Sangone, so I want to miss it. And my parents are retiring this year, so yeah, it's gonna be so emotional today. Catch you guys later. Paano sa foot? Sige ka muna. Yeah, time na.
tau tana tuai mai o kuma se ni fo suma toro ka suma fa nesse lima ka suma toro ka suma fa ilaina leino ki ya fa mai Lai tuai ya tuai ya afanau la e noa ya mau fanau esse e no problema foi na to na te na to e fatina ai foi na to na te na to e to sana fácil e não foi na to te no foi problema ai ou te fácil aí na Mundiane nai lanto te o mai ma lo tele lo lato tu e te fa bafa e fai ma ele o mia so se me ele no fie e tinha ainda no problema sei lá o tinha ainda no problema a mão não se me abre e leva por fora tem me faz esse melhor eu não te na eu não te na ao tu ato te na o que outro aí no dia eu não te na ainda no problema eu não te na ainda no problema ao tu ato o que outro aí no dia mas não se ele é esse dela faz muito ele é bom ele é esse dela faz muito ele é bom e a promo na matua fama tá porque ele é bom e a promo eu vi no meu aqui e eu não lá mas fama bom ele é bom mas le fama mo le ko ta tu ma mo ai fe no fa mai ta tu le ko ele na o fa mai le ko ta tu te ta pena no ma ku ai fa le ta tu mo ma fi au ta le mo ma ni fo le ta lo le ta ha de sulaba olhava o leão, a fio mais não lá, a fio mais não lá, foi mais ele, fala já na moda foi fala já ele, eu não tinha nada sacão, eu não vou lá, o final, ele faz ele a descer, a fio mais não ali, olha lá no tu melhor Lego fai outro, mas tu não vai. Lego fai. Mas logo que isso. Mas logo que isso. Fai ele o dia. Mas filmai Jesus, olha isso que isso. Fai ele o dia. Morre final faltava. Foi já tá tudo bom mal. E dona final.
Ele foi que nunca saiu por ele. Eu falei o
Malo lava. Eu estou engale na au fanga pua alfa si au. Ya estou ai mai mau au le mau. Lo korea ngale malo.
So. Ele la só tipo.
Ele ya lo ka ni. Vamos titi. Si aka. Para me que vole aka. Oleh funget.
Poi mai ile biro aka nga o.
Aka o no.
So wa fa man ba dia so. Go.
Ai kasih lai ku mai on.
Go. Liu cái gì mình phải phục luôn rồi chứ. Go.
Oh, Ferry. Coco. So. Kafaway.
Sabay, okang nga may puwa.
Mafu.
Okang may puwa.
Ay, ilo pa ay tuwa nga may ay.
Ano nga kasi puwa ay? Ay, okang may puwa.
Ang galapit. Boy. Ilo pa na balik ka. Eh, ay. Malo.
Going.
Wala ay may mafalain. Papalin.
Just
Ay, pag-iyo. Tapos niya may
Iyo, bakit may ay? Wala ko.
Fair. Myra, are you enjoying? Are you enjoying Amira?
Wala ni. Abang alafa.
Isa ko masasingil. Masasingil yan. Masasingil yan mo. Walo may kain nga mo. Nasa way ay daw pingula.
Tick, 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 tick. Right.